Hi, I'm here today at the Ultimate Drone Challenge and I am speaking to the winner. And your name is?
Lucas Obando.
And which school are you from?
I'm from Parat Primary.
Great, that's just down the road from me. So you have won the Ultimate Drone Challenge and your age is?
12.
12, well done. Okay, so can you talk me through today? I mean, did you have a strategy?
Yeah, I had a strategy. Just if I saw someone coming at me, I would just go high and low, and I would just try to flip my way out of there, and I would just try to keep myself to myself and just make sure no one would come near me. Yeah.
Right, that sounds like it really worked well for you. Excellent. Okay, well, congratulations again, and hopefully we may have a drone challenge again next year for Science Week.